let's talk about Drake. He recently withdrew his petition against Universal Music Group. The order says the parties met and they came to an agreement with no cost to either party. Remember, this wasn't a lawsuit. This was just a request for discovery. So he might have gotten the documents or the information that he was looking for, which is why he withdrew the petition. And the without cost part just means that everybody paid their own fees. But now he's filed a defamation suit against UMG. Now, Drake is catching a lot of heat for filing this lawsuit. Everyone's calling him a sore loser. Some people say that the lawsuit is frivolous and he's on a wild goose chase and that he should just suck it up because this is part of beef culture. But I think people forget that hip hop and entertainment is Drake's job. When the world, and no exaggeration, the world is crip walking and calling me a pedophile at the top of their lungs, I would crash out too. Not to mention the people that I work with, the people that put out my own music, put fuel in the fire and gassed it up. Yes, my dear, we're going to court, come to the front. But people are also saying, well, Kendrick said things about Drake too that weren't true. And while this is true, what Kendrick said about Drake doesn't have nearly the same consequences, stigma, or impact as being called a pedophile. We have no idea what Drake lost behind the scenes over this, and an allegation like that is just too serious not to be taken serious. What Drake said about Kendrick has only benefited Kendrick and only gotten him more publicity and more opportunities. What has Kendrick really lost in this fight? I think he would be more of a sore loser if he sued Kendrick directly. At the end of the day, UMG has contractual obligations to Drake, and they have a duty to act in good faith and make sure that their actions don't negatively impact one of their artists. So if my employer was profiting off my downfall, I'd be pretty upset too. But that's just my take. What do you guys think?